Eitendekyero rya Mbarara University of Science and Technology ryatongoza okwombeka eitendekyero risya ry'abashaho bonka erya Mast College of Health Sciences kandi omukoro gw'okuheereza ebihandiiko ebirikwikiriza contract okutandika kwombeka gwayebemberwamu mukuru w'akakiiko karikwebembera University ya Mast Dr. Warren Namara kandi gwakorerwa hashungine na University in ah'eitendekyero risya rikuza kwombekwa. Omu butumwa bwe Professor Pauline Byakikachibwika omuhwezi wa mukuru w'eitendekyero rya Mast yasiima President Museveni na Minisitule y'ebyesente aba bahiire empya zirikwingana n'obuhumbi 800 n'obukiikuru 839 emitwaro 49,515 okwombeka eitendekyero ryona kandi yagira ngu nibiija kuryombeka omu bicweka bishatu.
We are grateful to the government's allocation of 31 billion as the initial funding for constructing the first phase of the 3 phases. And this first phase includes the School of Biomedical Sciences and the Administration Block that is costed at 96,795,790,328 shillings. Let me say that again. This first phase of the 3 phases includes the School of Biomedical Sciences and the College of Health Sciences Administration Block.
Professor Byakika yagamba ko abarikushoma obushaho batwire batiine mwanya gurukumara kandi eki nikija kubahwera munonga nk'eitendekyero omu kushohoza abakugumbya amagara.
To provide a modern learning environment for our students, enhance research capacity for our faculty, and ultimately improve the quality of health services delivered to our communities in Uganda and beyond. It will also strengthen our position as a leading institution in health sciences education in the region.
And the transition, yes, is marked by many things happening, but this is the most important one that we think will lead us to where we want to be as a center or a university of excellence in training health professionals of all kinds.
Dr. Warren Namara orukurra akakiiko karikwebembera University egi yaashaba aba National Enterprise Corporation abakwasirwa empatane okukora omurimo murungi.
This is not an accidental choice, no. We stand on 2 reasons for asking NEC to be part of this. Number 1, there is a very clear, unequivocal, unambiguous directive from His Excellency the President.
No tolerance for kickbacks, corruption. We are not there. So if anybody who is along the line thinks that maybe we shall deviate and do some other things for them, we shall put all the resources that the university will give us on this project and nothing more. We shall put on this project.
Empatane egi neteekateekwa kuba yahwire omu myaka 3 yonka kandi erimu kwombeka administration block hamwe n'eishomero rya biometrical sciences. Aha bwa TV WestNehinda Bataringaya.